I'm going to show you a way to clean these humidifier filters. Now this is 1 week of use, and here in Minnesota, the humidifier has been running full blast, high setting nonstop for a week because we've been below zero. It's been really cold here. And the house, even with, I have 4 whole house humidifiers, even with those running at full blast, the house is at 30%. Without it, it'd be very low, probably 12 to 15%. And these have gotten a lot more expensive since COVID. I was paying $7 to $10 for these filters, and now they're running about $24. So what I do is I take this, and you have to forgive my ugliness here of my Montgomery Ward's sink. This is actually a basement where I clean a lot of parts and stuff out of. So what I'm gonna fill up the sink, and I'm gonna turn this upside down. Then I'll have to flip it as well. So we're gonna get this clean, get it soft again. I'm gonna actually put a little dish soap in there. Sometimes I use fabric softener too to get this soft again. So I'm gonna fill this up, and we're gonna let it clean, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's cleaned. All right, we have the sink filled up. I'm gonna let this soak for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it around and soak the other side, since I can't get this all the way in my sink. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna flip this over. And see how clean it got. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain this water. We're gonna fill this back up. So we're gonna flip this around. We're gonna get the other part of this filter. And I'm using hot water. For this soap, you have a laundry soap too. This is to have a laundry soap would work really well too. We're gonna fill this up and let this sit for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna flip that over. And there we go. Now normally instead of buying filters every week, I can get 6 weeks out of this. So that saves me from buying 6 filters. Eventually what will happen, this paper will just start falling apart and separating from the frame. That's why you gotta replace it. But this simple way of just cleaning these things, I have well water, so my water is gonna be a little more dirtier. I have methane in it, so it has a yellow tint to it. All right, let's put this in the humidifier. And there we go. I have 4 of these, by the way, in my house. This to keep the humidity where I need it to be at. All right, guys, thanks for watching.